Today I'm going to teach you how to graph on a Google spreadsheet. So you need to go to My Drive, click on Create, and then Spreadsheet, and this is the page that's going to come up. So anytime you want anything on the y-axis, you're going to put it in column A. Anything you want to go across the y-axis, you want to go horizontally. So we're going to start in cell B1. So we're going to type in our positions. So position A, position B, position C, and position D. Okay, our x-axis is going to be what we're changing, and that was time. So we're going to type in our seconds without the units. Okay, so I'm just copying this from the data chart. Some people can actually copy and paste their data directly from the lab sheet onto here. If you can do that, by all means do it, it's faster. So then you would just enter in your data, and I'm just making up data just to show you. So it's just simple and easy. You just type in your data. Okay, and then over here I'm just going to make up some more data. Okay, and just make sure this is yours. No, do not make up data, please. Okay, so you need to fill in your data chart for every single position that you have. Okay, so once you have all your data, you're going to select it. You just click on the first cell, click, and then don't let go of your mouse, and just click and then let go. Then you're going to go over here and hit the Insert Chart icon. Okay, and this is not what we want to see. We want to see just 4 lines. So we're going to use Charts, this tab right here. Click on it. We're going to select a line graph, not an area graph. We're going to select the first option. Okay, as you notice, that changed our graph, but we have 5 lines. And so position A, B, and C, D, that's what we want. But this line is not labeled because this is our time. Okay, this is actually over here. So we don't want to graph this as data. We want to use it as labels. So you're going to hit your Start tab, and they're going to use column A, because this is column A, as our labels. When you click that, the times actually appear on the x-axis, and that's what we want. Okay, now for any good chart, we want to have a chart title, and we want to label our axes. So you're going to go to Customize, and you can actually type in the chart title. And this can be whatever you want to, just make sure it's very descriptive. Okay, so that will appear once you hit Insert, and oh, there it goes. You can actually move your legend wherever you want to. This is a personal preference, whatever you want to do. Okay, you can change the title, color, font, you can make it your own. Okay, but now we have to label the axis, so we're going to go to axis, and when this is the horizontal axis or the x-axis. So that is our time, and make sure you have the unit, which was in seconds. So we always have the axis title and the units. Okay, to get the y-axis or the vertical axis, we're just going to use that little drop-down menu. Okay, drop-down menu allows you to switch to the left vertical axis. Okay, and we're going to change that to water temperature, and it was in degrees Celsius. To get the degree symbol, you hit Alt 0 and it appears. Okay, again, to insert the degree symbol, it's Alt 0 and it gives you a degree symbol. And that was in Celsius. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. If you want to change the scale, if you want to change the color, you can do that. It's up to you. And then we're just going to hit Insert. And then there's our graph. Okay, and then to copy your graph, you just hit this little small arrow and you hit Copy Chart, and that copies it. And then you will open up your document, your Google Doc, and then just hit Command V to paste it in. Okay, so once again, to copy your chart, you're going to hit the down arrow, copy chart, and then when you open up your Google Doc, I can do that for you right here, you'll go to your Bunsen Burner doc, and you'll hit Command V. When you hit Command V, it'll generate your graph in your document. This needs to be turned in to me along with the questions. Okay? If you need more help, let me know. If not, you can rewatch this video. Bye.